DPS Delhi Public School Jalandhar, and it's been 3 years now. We are very happy and satisfied with the performance, with the personality. DPS helped our child to grow.
I think DPS is doing a great job in respect with the activities and competition they are holding every month. Child is gaining confidence. And as far as this period is concerned, the lockdown period, DPS has done an amazing job with their online classes. Our child has a routine. He has something to look forward to apart from his otherwise dull and boring routine. My child is always excited to meet his teachers, have a face-to-face interaction with them and meet his friends. So I think DPS never fails to surprise us with their innovative and creative ideas.
DPS Jalandhar has taught us a different way of looking at the world and learning.
We as alumni and now as parents feel so proud and grateful to be associated with such a prestigious institution which has constantly evolved and taught us to be a better self.
They have taught them not only to succeed in their studies, but also have laid the importance of morals in them to be good human beings.
This school now is more like a family to us. The staff, the teachers and Principal Ma'am, all of them are so welcoming and approachable that we have never had any doubts about the choice of this school.
DPS has always given more than expected, be it education, dance, arts or sports. Every annual day, sports day or any function, the teachers have gone way beyond themselves to help the students excel in whatever they do.
Our children have turned out to be confident and happy people, and a big credit for this goes to the school.
My daughter is a scholar badge holder and the captain of school basketball team, striking a perfect balance between her studies and her game, which have been only possible with the support of their teachers and the school management. We have been a part of DPS family since 2002, even though we are the parents, but the real parents are their teachers who nourishes them in a right manner to succeed in their lives. DPS takes utmost care of child's curriculum, ensuring the overall development. I am extremely happy and contented with my children being in DPS. It's being a great journey with them.
DPS has grown my kids in an excellent way and helped them to become all-rounders. Moral values inculcated by DPS has guided them to become good citizens of the society.
We as parents have been associated with Delhi Public School Jalandhar for last 17 years, which has provided a strong foundation to our kids.
The rising of the school in between the COVID crisis and adapted itself along with the parents to provide online education to the kids in the safest possible environment. DPS school in collaboration with the parents has done a great job in nourishing, polishing and leading students towards the bright future.
Today we want to express a sense of gratitude towards the principal and competent teachers of Delhi Public School Jalandhar who have groomed our daughter into a confident young child. She has truly explored her potential in the last 1 year.
They have played a pivotal role in shaping her personality.
Whenever we visit DPS and interact with the teachers over there, we always get a feeling that our daughter is always in the safe hands. It's a very rejuvenating experience.
Even during these difficult COVID times, the online classes have been running on constantly and the studies are going on in the full swing. The teachers have adapted so gracefully to these changes.
Being in Army, we have been to several schools across the country, but it is in the DPS that we have found a correct balance between the academics and the extracurricular activities.
Team DPS not only ensures quality education and results of children, but they also help in proper grooming of children, especially in teenage, guiding them, counseling them and taking right actions in a very friendly manner, which children also accept. They don't retaliate. We feel proud that our children study in such a renowned institute who have good teachers, good staff, and even the workers, the helpers are very friendly.
What I observe that the school is playing a pivotal role in developing overall personality of my children. Not only aptitude and academic excellence is inculcated, but the children are also becoming sensitive and responsible in handling situations which will help them to become a balanced human with a healthy mind in future. I joined DPS family last year and the journey has been very enriching, not just for me but for my children too.
The environment and ambience, the personal touch and concern, and warm, approachable philosophy gave both of them the much needed confidence and values when they stepped out into the real world.
I feel the positive environment which every school should have, very attractive then, and is still maintained by the school. DPS provided the correct values, more due to the strong leadership of the chairman, Thakur Arun Singh, and good teaching and a nurturing environment. We loved the DPS so much that even before passing out of my children, my wife joined the school, and in a different capacity, of course.
One thing which sets the school apart from all the other schools is their trying to instill a self-confidence into each and every student of theirs. Definitely it's a difficult time, but this is where the real mentor will come into play. So DPS being one of the first schools to initiate the online learning, and that is a commendable and kind of a forerunner in this, and we salute the efforts by the teachers. We are associated with Delhi Public School Jalandhar as parents from the last almost 12 or more years.
We are so happy to say that Delhi Public School Jalandhar is one such place where the atmosphere is so conducive for the child that the journey of education becomes very enjoyable. The best thing about DPS Jalandhar is that there is a very good parent-teacher relationship, because it is only with the mutual efforts of the parents and the school that we can bring the best out of a child. And here the student-teacher ratio is very adequate, so that every child gets individual attention of the teachers, and even the parents can reach out to the teachers whenever the need arises.
I am a proud alumni of Delhi Public School Jalandhar and now a proud parent too. I feel fortunate that I've got this opportunity to express myself, that how pleased I am to tell you that DPS is the finest institution to groom your child. In my daughter, I have started noticing some positive changes. She has become more confident, she has become more smart, she has become more intellectual, and she has actually started asking me new questions about new things.
We completely understand that being a teacher can't be easy, and especially in these days when the lockdown is going on, they have to manage around 100 kids at one time, and that too online.
Not only academically, but they are taking very well care of other curricular activities like dance, music, yoga, art and etc. because these are important, very important too for the overall growth of the child. We really feel very appreciated that we made a right decision by choosing DPS 2 times. That's 13 years back at the time of Guraziz, and then again 7 years back at the time of Jashfaina.
They are there with us from celebrating the festivals, the grandparents' days, the parent days, the family days, to organizing langars and what more. The care that they provide to our children, the love that they provide to our children is really spectacular. How do we know how to parent our children? Well, we are lucky to have great teachers at DPS, which are like our friend, our guide, and the most important, our family.
Now when we look at our children, we feel like we made a right choice to put them into school where they were fully prepared to enter into a real world. We really want to thank DPS for steering their paths.
All the credit of making my girls into smart and intelligent human beings goes to DPS. DPS has been an integral part of our lives. Our little girls entered the school 15 years back, and now I swell with pride to see how my daughters Prithvi and Vanshika have learned so much.